We have always wanted to make something cool for Halloween, like a ghost that falls from a tree, or a catapult that launches candy. Last year, we made a remote-controlled spider. We had a Nerf battle drone that we weren't using very much. It wasn't fast enough for a dart war, and it looked like a spider, so we decided to put it to some good use. We found a posable spider at Target, but it wasn't scary enough, so we added a giant balloon to make it bigger. It has a collar now.
Yeah, and a little thing. So spooky.
We attached the spider to the drone using Velcro pads. We put some on the ice too, so we could change it up a bit.
Rawr. The other ones. Yeah. There you go. It looks like that.
Wee!
He's so cute. We're gonna name him Freddy.
It was raining on Halloween, so we didn't get to use it much. Hopefully, we'll have better luck this year. Thank you for checking out another project. Oh look, it's a real spider.